Huh?
You clean it?
No?
How about you put them in the seat?
Oh, I haven't had time. Let's get some of that underwear action real quick. Oh shit! Damn, son. Everybody, Marty Rides here, bringing you another fucking video. And in today's video, we're just gonna ride around, do some Jixer gang story shit. Damn. Oh shit. Damn, his exhaust is popping. Golly.
I like my girls BBW. Yeah.
Fucking guy. Right now, guys, we're gonna go to Kohl's because this guy's been getting them gains in. They're like loot, layer after layer. You know what I'm talking about. But yeah, we're going to Kohl's. This guy's been getting them gains too fast, and his clothes is it's not fitting him anymore. So he's gotta, you know, bump up the size for all the mass that he's getting, muscle mass. Today was the first ride of the year ride, if that's what it was called, up in LA. And I was gonna go, but I really did not feel like riding all the way over there. But comment down below if you guys went, how it was, if it was cool or not, if I missed out on shit. Huh?
You get a new chain?
No?
Not yet?
Not yet.
When?
Huh?
When?
I don't know. Hey, when it snaps. Just got his exhaust. If you guys haven't checked out Straight Up 5-Speed, make sure to check him out down below. Link down in the description. You guys will enjoy his videos. I think they're pretty cool. They're alright. Hold on. I get a lead. I think I deserved a little bit more links, if you ask me. Hey, but he barely caught up in 4th gear. What happened?
I gave you like a bus like
that was dumb.
You want a weenie blanket?
Yeah, I want one. Hey, two. So I guess this video is mainly gonna be speeding, wheelies like that, and shit like that, you know. Oh yeah, sorry, no cussing. I forgot. But yeah. Oh, Mary Jane. Dang. Damn. I wonder if he smelled it. Let me ask him right quick. Hey, did you smell that? said it before, but yeah, if you guys went to that freaking LA ride, comment down below. You know, I saw a bunch of Instagram stories about it. It looked packed. One of my buddies, Eric, he was in one of my old videos. He told me there was like 20 plus groms. Bro, 20 plus groms. Golly! I should have fucking taken this guy's freaking grom and taken it over there and wheelie that sucker. Because he just has it sitting, collecting dust. Oh shit! That was a fucking big ass pothole. Holy fuck! That scared the living poop out of me. Yeah, until they give us a ticket.
Explain to the people why I haven't taken these stickers off. Well, I took one off. Explain to the people why I haven't taken this one off. People keep asking.
Isn't it because I haven't given you the goo gun? Yeah, I should have fucking brought it. I should have brought it.
When you took the ground, huh?
Yeah.
I took the ground for a couple of videos and I asked them to bring back some groups.
Did it work? Damn. Damn. Took out the battery. Oh, you don't. Just keep fingering it. The fuck? There?
Done.
Hey, we should do one of those videos, dude.
Nah.
Yeah, like you ride in the back and then I ride in the back.
I'll get on the back, but
Nah, I'll get on the back. What if I want to get on the back? So? Huh?
how tall are you?
6'3"?
There you go.
So?
Am I too slipping?
Huh?
I need new gloves.
Oh, they don't sell these anymore. Get one of these. Damn, manita de niño. Ah, I need gas. Yeah. Yeah. You too? We're gonna go get some gas. Real quick. Alright guys, we're gonna go get some gas. We both need it. Both of our lights came on at the same time, which is ironic. But yeah, we didn't even fucking end up getting the thing that this guy needed for coals. They had like a line the size of... They had a big old line, that's all I'm gonna say. That shit sounded like a gunshot. Oh my god. I can just imagine how that looks like in the night. Let us get some gas real quick. Alright, so both of these bikes are filled up with gasolina. Now we just gotta go to our next destination. Holy fuck! Oh my god! That thing pops like a mother trucker. The exhaust?
Yeah. Fucking pop?
We should get a marshmallow.
Huh?
We should get a marshmallow and like put it, and then you rev it and it pops and it burns.
Good idea.
Ah, cabrón. Alright guys, so now we're going to Best Buy. This guy has to get a freaking a Bluetooth dildo for himself. So we gotta go get that shiznits. Nah, I kinda wanna look around and get some shit too, maybe. Not today, but sometime in the future. For his pop on the left side of me, but I heard it on the right. Shiz. We made it. We made it. To Best Bust.
Have you tried Golden Cross?
Nah.
Nah?
Nah.
Pretty good.
What's it? What do they sell?
Huh?
What do they sell?
Some fat shit.
Yeah, I don't want that shit.
Hey, I think I'm changing my mind.
What?
On cutting,
Why?
I'm gonna bolt. Like 30.
30?
30 bolts, dog.
No mames. Alright guys, just got our Best Buy. It's already getting late. I gotta go to work already. But yeah guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smack that like button. Comment down below any feedback, video ideas, any type of video you guys wanna see from us or from me. You know, whatever, floats your boat. But yeah, comment down below any video ideas and shiz like that. Subscribe if you're new, and see you in the next one. Peace.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch, so I two-toned it.